Hi gorgeous, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make press-on nail design tutorials, and in today's video we will be making some brown marble nails. So let's get started. So as usual, everything mentioned in this video will be linked in the description. So these are all the polishes that I used. So when I was getting ready to edit this video and the previous one from last week, I had realized that I had accidentally recorded the videos in time lapse. So that's why the nails look different from the thumbnail and in the video, because luckily I had somebody purchase them right when I needed to upload the video. So I just recorded me doing a customer nails, since the footage that I had of the longer nails wasn't good. So sorry about that if you wanted to see a video with the longer nails. So I'm just taking a blooming gel and putting it on the nail tips. And don't cure the blooming gel, just leave it as is. So now I'm just taking a little bit of blooming gel and putting it on my little palette, because I'm going to mix it with the white, because I didn't want the white to be like really vibrant. I wanted it to kind of be like a milky white. So I mixed it in with the blooming gel. And then I'm going to put the brown polishes on the palette too. So I don't really know how I would describe my marbling technique. I just kind of just put the polish on there. So I start with the white first, and then I'll go in with the dark brown and then the lighter brown. But I'm not really doing any special type of swirl or any method or anything like that. I'm just putting it on the nail, hoping that it comes out right. Remember, the blooming gel is on there, so the blooming gel helps kind of marble the polishes together anyway, so that also helps. So you don't necessarily have to actually force the colors to kind of blend in together. The blooming gel does that for you. So it makes the marbling kind of look more effortless and let the colors blend in more together. So yeah, I don't have any actual technique or any swirling that I'm doing. I'm just putting it on there and calling it a day. And I'm starting off with the white first. And then when I finish the nail, I cure it for 60 seconds in the lamp. And also I have a napkin with a little bit of alcohol on it on the side, and so I'm wiping off my brush. So when you see me move towards the top right, that's because I'm wiping off the brush. I had added a little bit more blooming gel into the white because at this point when I was doing the nails, I just kind of thought that the white was a little bit too prominent. So I put some more blooming gel in there to lighten it up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting the thumbs up button and leaving me a comment so that you could be featured on the comment shout out. So we are on to the encapsulation part. So I'm really only trying to use 1 to 2 beads, and I'm using more so waterier beads or runnier beads so that I could have enough time to place in the gold foil. Now I had cut up the gold foil into smaller pieces because in the container they come as like these little pieces of sheets. So it'll be like a 4x4 sheet of foil, and so I just cut them up into smaller pieces. And then I place them onto the nail. The wet brush, since the brush is wet, it'll pick up the foil. And so I just place it on there. Later when I go into file, it's gonna file off some of the foil, which is what I actually wanted to do so that it creates more depth and dimension with the sizes of the foil, so that way it will be smaller ones, it will be bigger ones, and it'll just look better to me than having big pieces of foil on the nail. But anyway, let me quit rambling. So I just realized I also forgot to record me filing the nails. So that will not be included in the video. But I did go through and e-file the nails. And with my hand file as usual, as I always do in all of the videos. So yeah. I'm sorry about that. I don't have the filing nor the top coating part. Oh my god. I don't know what's going on with my videos. first I record the other two in time lapse, and then now I forgot to record the other half of the video. Again, I am sorry that I forgot to hit record while filing and top coating, but I still wanted to give y'all this video because, you know, y'all know how to file nails. In all of my other videos, I showed you guys the filing and the top coating process. So if you want to know how I do it, just refer back to those videos. But yeah, anyway, here are the final reveal shots from the first set that I did. Not this one, but the first one that I did.